Hey, is your Epidemic Sound Hub not opening or working? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. You can see here, I've got this Epidemic Sound Hub opened up, and I was also facing the same issue. So I found a fix for it. First, you need to uninstall your current Epidemic Sound Hub from your PC. To do that, press on this Start menu. After that, search for Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. Inside here, search for Epidemic Sound Hub. Here you go. Now you need to uninstall it from here. So just click on uninstall and click on uninstall here. Then click on next. And there you go. We have now completed our uninstall process. Now let's press on finish. Next up, you need to open Google Chrome and go to epidemicsound.com. Now on it, you need to log into your account. After that, press on this on the top right, this apps icon. And let's select DaVinci Resolve Studio here. It's going to take us over to this page. Now here it's going to show you these two icons you can download for Mac OS if you've got one. I'm going to click on download for Windows because I've got Windows here. So let's click here to download it to our computer. I've already got this .exe file, so I'm going to right click it and install it as an administrator. Make sure to install it as an administrator. So right click it and run as administrator. Once you've done that, select only for me, then press on next. Now here, do not change the destination folder. I assume that you have pressed the browse button and you have put this Epidemic Sound on another folder. I'm not sure why, but this is a very simple fix. You just need to keep the destination folder same as is. Then press on install and let it go through. And there you go. We have now got our Epidemic Sound Hub installed on our PC. Let's click on Run Epidemic Sound Hub and press on Finish. Next up, you're going to find this on the bottom right, this hidden icons button. Click on it. And you're going to find Epidemic Sound icon here. So let's click on here and there you go. We have now got our Epidemic Sound Hub installed on our computer. You've got these available plugins here. I've got this DaVinci Resolve Studio. You can install it by clicking on this button. Make sure that you've got the paid version of DaVinci Resolve in order to install it. There is a cog icon here. If you don't want this to launch Hub on startup, you can disable it. And yeah, that's it. That's how to fix Epidemic Sound Hub not opening or working on your PC or laptop. I hope this video helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more Epidemic Sound and DaVinci Resolve related guides and fixes. See you there and bye for now.